How to find follow requests on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the heart icon at the top right of the screen to access the activity page. At the top of the screen, you will see the first section. It says follow requests, and it says that you can approve or ignore requests. So click on it. It will take you to this page where you can see when people ask to follow you, you will see their requests here as Instagram tells you. This is a test account, meaning that I don't have any requests on it. But if you ever have any requests, you will find them here and you can either accept them or ignore them. So that was it for this video. That's how you can check follow requests on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.